व बरकातहू। हमारे प्यारे देश भारत में अलग विविध धर्मों और मजहबों के लोग एक साथ मिलजुल कर रहते हैं। हमारे भारत देश का संविधान सभी लोगों को अपने अपने मजहबों पर चलने की आज़ादी देता है। हमारे भारत देश के संविधान ने सभी भारतीयों को मूल अधिकार दिए हैं और स्वतंत्रता के लिए 6 फंडामेंटल राइट्स दिए हैं। द 6 फंडामेंटल राइट्स इन इंडिया। फर्स्ट, right to equality. Right to equality. Article 14 to 18 prohibits the inequality on the basis of caste, place of birth, religion, race, gender, etc. It ensures equal rights for all citizens. Number second, right to freedom. These rights, Article 19, 20, 21A and 22 are freedom of speech, freedom of expression, freedom of movement throughout the territory of our country, freedom to practice any profession, freedom to reside in any part of the country. However, these rights have their own restrictions. Number third, right against exploitation. Right against exploitation, Article 23 to 24 condemns human trafficking, child labor, forced labor, making it an offense punishable by law. Number 4, right to freedom of religion. Right to freedom of religion, according to Article 25 to 28, it guarantees religious freedom and ensures secular states in India. All people have freedom of conscience and right to preach, practice and propagate any religion of their choice. Number 5, cultural and educational rights. Cultural and educational rights, Article 29 to 30. Article 29 to 30, cultural rights protects the rights of cultural and religious, linguistics minorities by enabling them to conserve their heritage and protects them against discrimination. Educational rights ensure education for everyone. Education rights ensure education for everyone, irrespective to their caste, gender, etc. The last fundamental right of India is the constitutional remedies. The right to constitutional remedies. The right to constitutional remedies, Article 32 to 35, empowers the citizens to move to a court of law in the case of any denial of the fundamental right of speech. Thank you so much and thank you.
एक मिनट हाँ, इस परफॉर्मेंस एक मिनट इस परफॉर्मेंस ने कई लोगों के दिल के तार छेड़ दिए। उसमें से एक है हमारे जनाब अखिल बागवान साहब। तो इन्होंने इस प्ले के पूरे बच्चों के लिए 1000 रुपये इनाम दिया गया। इनके लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां। मैं काशिफ सर से
इनाम बहुत